Hi, I'm Bill.
And I'm Joe.
And we are your man versus nature. Today in the African
Wooden Wilds, showing you what it takes to survive.
Ah! Damn it, Bill! So we set up our camp in a hammock so we won't get eaten by vicious
Polar bears!
No polar bears, Joe! Wolves! I was going to say wolves! Vicious wolves!
No polar bears?
No polar bears, Joe! Anyway, we set up a hammock in a tree. But you can build all this platform and all that shtick. But we don't know how, so just use Google.
Yay, Google! Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a fire without kindling and without wood. First, you'll need gloves, matches, and a welding helmet. Oh yeah, and a rock, of course. Next, you light your match. Place it on the rock, and take some bug spray.
Joe, what are you doing?
Nothing!
I'm going to show you how to hunt and gather food.
No, I'm going to gather. You're going to hunt.
Whatever, and let's get on with it.
A deer! A deer!
Oh, look! I'll shoot it.
Yeah, yeah.
Boom!
Yay, we got a deer!
Yeah.
Ooh, look.
What'd you find?
Cranberries.
Joe, there's a poison.
Just kidding. I knew that. I'm allergic to berries anyway.
All right. Okay, so I cut and gutted this deer into sizable pieces. So now we're going to mix it in and add some stew powder.
Are you sure that's stew powder?
Or dirt, you know, it's the same. Can't wait to eat this.
I made that fire.
Shut up, Joe! Anyway, now we're going to add some spices and secret ingredients like the Starburst wrapper. Right, throw that in. Secret ingredients I won't let you know because a chef can keep a secret. Ready to try this, Joe?
I don't think that's stew powder, Bill.
Nobody cares. So, oh look, you can get a rock with yours.
Here, add this berry.
All right.
But berry.
Berries are bad for you. Berries white, they're all right. Berries blue, good for you. Try some. All right. All right, ready?
Disgustingly amazing. This berry will make me feel better.
No!
Right, so Bill and I are going to teach you some wilderness first aid.
Yes.
So we're going to say I ate a poisonous berry, and Bill's going to show you how to heal me.
Yes. I am. All right. Sit down right there. All right, lie down. And anyway. Ow! It's getting worse.
I thought you said to stay calm.
Oh, right. The best thing to do is lounge around and wait until it's done. And until it's tell me twice. And anyway, also hydration. Ah, Joe! What was that for? I'm not Joe, you're Joe.
Bill, whatever. What do you expect? I'm getting hypothermia. Bill!
What? Hydration, I must say. Quite enjoyable.
Whoa!
It's enjoyable.
Scene? Oh, right.
What are you doing? Cut the scene! Cut the freaking scene! That's all you need to know about the Wooden Wild. I hope you learned something.
Because I sure didn't.
No, you didn't.
Bill?
I hope you all had a good time.
Bill, there's a bear stalking us! Wait! Luckily, to my wildlife skills, I know just what to do. Run away as fast as you can!
Alright, so I'm Bill.
And I'm Joe.
And we are your very knowledgeable wildlife guides. We'll see you next time on Man vs. Nature.
I need a berry.
Joe, please no. bringing sexy back. Alright, now,